Welcome to our channel, Fast Cabling. So are you tired of dealing with messy cables and multiple power adapter for your devices? Today in this video, we are going to dive into basics of power over Ethernet and fiber optic cable and take you beyond, uncovering their benefits, application, and tips for implementation. And if you have any trouble with your system design, you can also visit our solution page here through the link down in the description box below and explore the possibilities and supercharge your digital world. Your connection to a brighter and faster future starts here. So power over Ethernet is a revolutionary technology that seamlessly combines data and power transmission over a single Ethernet cable. It simplifies installation, eliminating the need for separate power source, and empowers devices to receive both power and data through one connection. The fundamental principle of PoE is straightforward. You need a power sourcing equipment, the PSE, typically a PoE injector or a PoE switch. It sends both power and data signal over the Ethernet cable to a power device, a PD, like an IP camera's wireless access point or a VoIP phone. And PoE operates under various standards that defines the maximum power level a PSE can deliver to a PD. And this standard include IEEE 802.3 AF that provide up to 15.4 watts, 802.380 offer up to 30 watts of output power, and the latest 802.3 BT PoE++ standard. It is capable of delivering up to 100 watts of power. And the choice of PoE standard depends on the specific power requirement of your devices. So PoE has lots of benefits, includes simplified installation, less wiring, more flexibility. It provides centralized power management, making it easier to manage and troubleshoot network-connected equipment. Consolidating power and data into one cable results in cost saving. By reducing the amounts of cabling required, it is a transformative technology that not only simplifies installation, but also opens doors to innovation application across various domains, like the IP camera and security system, wireless access point, smart lighting, and VoIP phones communication networks. Traditional PoE setup will use copper cable like the Cat5e, Cat6, or Cat6a. They're capable of handling data transmission and power delivery. However, they do have limitations. They have shorter maximum cable length for optimal performance, typically around 100 meters, that's 328 feet. So in this case, some of you might think of using the fiber optic cable because they can provide longer distance, higher bandwidth, and less latency. And since fiber optic cable is made out of glass, it is immune to electromagnetic interference too. But one thing about fiber optic cable is it doesn't deliver power, only data transmission. And that's why today we are recommending the composite fiber optic cable. A composite fiber optic cable consists two strings of fiber optic cable to provide data and a pair of copper cable to deliver power. So you can deliver both power and data at the same time through a single cable. But we also have to add the media converters. Media converters can convert the electrical signal into fiber optical signal. And over this side, we have the outdoor fiber PoE media converter. With this PoE media converter, not only you can convert the electrical signal into fiber optical signal, you can also provide PoE technology to the connected device. So next, we are moving on to the demonstration board and start our connection using the composite fiber optic cable and the media converters. Now I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect the router to the network video recorder. And if we are connecting to a PTZ camera at the edge, this is another short patch cord to provide data all the way to our indoor media converter. Let me plug it in and convert the electrical signal into fiber optical signal. Power it up. This is the SFP transceiver, and it's usually sold separately because it has to determine what kind of fiber optic cable, the connector, the distance, and the bandwidth that you require. This is where we connect it to the fiber optic cable. Let me plug it in. This is a BD SFP transceiver. Let me connect it with a fiber patch cord. This is the fiber patch cord. We are going to connect it to our termination box here. This is the power supply. You can supply DC 48 volt and providing both power and data to our composite fiber optic cable. And all the way coming to another termination box, I'm going to connect the power source here and also another fiber patch cord. And I'm going to open it up so you can see the inside of it. We can manage all our cables. This is the composite fiber optic cable connecting to here. This is the 2-string fiber optic cable and the power cord. You can see very clearly. Now I'm going to connect it to our fiber PoE media converter that can convert the electrical signal into fiber optical signal, also provide PoE at the same time. This is the DC power in. We can see the indicator light is on. This is the BD SFP transceiver connected with the fiber patch cord and plug it into our fiber media converter. This is another short patch cord. We are going to connect it to our PDZ camera. So as you can see, we don't need any power source for the PDZ camera, only a single Ethernet cable and utilize power over Ethernet technology. Let's give it a little bit of time to display video footage. Now I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is a live video. So the whole connection using the composite fiber optic cable and the outdoor fiber PoE media converter is done. So before you install your composite fiber optic cable, you should assess the installation location first, evaluate the path where you intend to lay the composite fiber optic cable, and gather all your equipment, secure the cable, and consider installing protective conduits or tubing in areas where the cable is exposed to the elements or potential damage. And also, when you choose your fiber PoE media converter, you should ensure the converter is compatible with all your devices. And since you're installing this outdoor, ensure it is designed to withstand outdoor conditions. You should choose a PoE media converter for a reliable and efficient outdoor network setup. And thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.